Hello, I'm Mark Hackett. I'm the Chief Exec at the University Hospital North Midlands, and I have the privilege of working with Vijay Jagannath, who's the Divisional Clinical Director here for Specialised Services. Well, we're here talking about Vijay Jagannath and as part of his Bevan leadership programme. What are Vijay's key qualities? I think he brings to our organisation a huge commitment to improving patient care. He has considerable emotional intelligence, high intellect, and an ethos which is centred around developing high-performing teams which enable us to deliver excellence in patient care. At the same time, I think Vijay has been put in a major leadership position within the Trust as a Divisional Clinical Director, responsible for over £150 million worth of expenditure every year in a wide range of specialties. And we've deliberately looked at backing Vijay in this role because of the qualities that I referred to earlier. In the role, I think where he is now developing is creating a vision not only for his own division but for the specialties within it. And we face a very vibrant, exciting future because the services that Vijay runs are ones where they have a local as well as regional reach, and this results in another skill that Vijay has, which is a considerable focus around partnership working within and outside the organisation. Over the last few years, his achievements have been considerable, and this in turn has enabled him to move from a clinical director role operating within anaesthesia to a much broader general management role, where he is coordinating the strategy, plans and operational delivery of several specialties. In the last few years, Vijay has made major changes to the way that our anaesthetic services are operated, and the results of that have led to us receiving major accolades for the support we offer anaesthetic trainees in the department, increasing our weekend working for elective work and emergency work, and also ensuring that colleagues in anaesthesia aren't subject to excessive work pressures. In relation to our cardiac services, we've brought those now together into a single directorate, and that is stunningly successful, where we've seen cardiology grow its share of the local and regional markets by around 20%. But I guess the big change also has been the major focus that Vijay has put around developing our cardiac surgery services, which have seen a 30% increase in the volume of work undertaken in the last 2 years, world-class clinical outcomes being delivered in terms of the outcomes for surgical care. But Vijay has worked hard with the team of surgeons and anaesthetists, and we've developed some really innovative practice where now our anaesthetists, ITU and cardiac surgical services are all run and operated as a single entity, which has improved the flow of patients, reduced waste and improved dramatically productivity. These are major achievements, and we're one of the few centres in the country that is routinely undertaking elective cardiac surgery practice at weekends, and we have a highly committed group of colleagues who are pushing for that. In other areas, we've seen the continued success under Vijay's leadership of our major trauma centre, and the expansion of both our neurosurgery department in that context, but also major plaudits that we've received around the way that the major trauma centre works with the partner hospitals, and the way it functions inside the trust. And one of, again, the exciting things that VJ has been responsible for has been the development of a £3 million major trauma ward in the hospital, which we are commissioning at this moment in time, which will result in substantial improvements to patient care, but also improved effectiveness and efficiency, where patients will stay a lot less in the hospital because they will receive more appropriate and timely treatment. Part of the other qualities that VJ has linked to the way that he works with staff. So one of the things that I've been very impressed about in the last 12 months is how VJ, along with his management team in the division, have been focusing around improving staff engagement, which clearly is the key to success. Engaged staff result in better clinical outcomes, better productivity and higher morale. To this end, VJ has been publicly sponsoring monthly sessions across the whole division where staff come together for a couple of hours a month to talk about issues that are of concern, raise areas of good practice, or raise issues which need to be addressed to further improve patient care and strive, in accordance with our 2025 vision, to achieving the highest standards of clinical excellence and academic excellence. These sessions are highly regarded by staff, and in turn VJ and his team have then looked to systematise that and standardise it through the development of staff engagement plans throughout all of their services and operational units. And this is having a major effect on reducing sickness rates, improving attendance, but also enabling teamwork to operate from the top to the bottom of the division. So, these are major achievements that VJ's done. I know from his interactions with me that the leadership programme has helped to equip him with new skills and experience. Thank you.